Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make gluten-free chocolate chip cookie from a cake mix. Isn't it exciting? Well, I'll be using products from Hello Healthy Tribes and I'm using this cake mix for our cookies. You can find all the nutrition detail on the back of the package, including the baking instructions. So let's start the recipe, but before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new recipes every week. Let's open the packet. It looks so good. I'm taking 1 cup of cake mix and adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil. Since this recipe is vegan, I'm adding oil. You can add the same quantity of butter as well. Mix it well and add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it again and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, make some cookies and bake it in a preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. When they are slightly brown from the top, they are ready to enjoy. Let me know how do you like these cookies. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.